Welcome to Nari Saki, and today let's make raw mango curry, which is very tasty and healthy also. So for this I have raw mango, which I've put it in water for some time because on top there is some stickiness which we need to clean. I'm going to pressure cook it for 2 to 3 whistles, and once it gets cooled down, collect the pulp, and we are going to discard the skin and the middle seed. This mango was a little bit ripe, so the curry is going to be on the sweeter side, but it will be tangy also. I tasted a little mango, so this is sweet and tangy curry. So collect all the pulp, and we are going to add this pulp to the blender. Add jaggery for sweetness, Besan Chick Pea Flour, so it will give some thickness to the curry. Add little water and blend it to a smooth paste. Now we are going to do the seasoning. For this I have taken ghee. Add cumin seeds. Once cumin seeds start splattering, add some Asafoetida. And bay leaf is optional. You can add bay leaf. And to this we are going to add a little bit of turmeric. Add the pulp. It's very beautiful color and it smells good. So add water to adjust the consistency. Salt, red chili powder depending on how spicy you want, black pepper. Do add black pepper because it gives very nice flavor to this curry. And stir it, and it's become a little bit thick. I'm going to add a little bit of water and bring it to a boil. And finally we are going to add chopped coriander leaves and bring it to a boil. This is ready to be served. You can serve this with rice, roti. It's healthy and spicy, tangy and sweet curry loaded with vitamin C. And do try this. And if you have any questions, please post and subscribe Nari Saki for more videos. Thank you.